Welcome back, Rich Minds. It's your boy Reno coming back to you with another video. And today's topic is gonna be how to make money online in 2024. Yes, sir. Let me say it louder for my entrepreneurs in the back. Listen, family, this video is gonna be based upon how you can make money online in 2024. Now, understand something, y'all. Most of the entrepreneurs that you have seen today have started their first business online. Yes, sir. Most of the successful people that you see that are thriving, successful, got the lifestyle, the money, the cars, every single thing, y'all, they have started an online business. Well, what are you saying right now, Reno? I'm about to give y'all 5 ways that you can make money, okay? Yes, you can make money online in 2024. Right? Now, let me say this, y'all. Many of y'all may think that this is far-fetched. This is impossible. It won't work for me. That's not the case, okay? In fact, and this is going to be a key point that I'm going to speak on, but in fact, if you have a YouTube channel, that's a business right there, all in itself. It's a media company. Congratulations, you own a media company, okay? And so I just want y'all to understand that online businesses can be very lucrative. There's multi-millionaires that have been made from the internet, billionaires, 6-figure earners every day, right? All from the internet, and it can happen to you. So with that being said, y'all, I'm going to give y'all 5 ways that you can make money online in 2024, all right? So the first way that you can make money online, y'all, in 2024 is going to be this: digital products and services, all right? Let me say it louder for my entrepreneurs in the back. Listen, family, digital products, right? Or online services. Now, what do you mean by that, Reno? These are your ebooks, right? Electronic books. These are your courses. These are your online packages, okay? Apps, music, anything that a person can buy online that is monetized, that would be considered a digital product, right? That would be considered a digital product. So if you are a chef, okay, and guess what? You got your famous recipes. What can you do? You can start an electronic book or an ebook, right? Create that ebook and you can sell your recipes, right? To multiple people. The online money game is so big, right? It's so broad. It's so many people. Like, you're not going to run out of people. Everybody got a cell phone. Okay, almost everybody have a cell phone. Even your granddaddy have a cell phone, right? Maybe not granddaddy, but y'all get what I'm saying. Everybody have a cell phone, right? So digital products is so prominent and they're so good because they don't have no overhead, which means you can create a product one time and make money over and over and over and over again, right? And so, for instance, y'all, my social influence course, if anybody is interested, right? I'm going to have it down here in the description as well as in the video. But what I want y'all to realize and understand is with my social influence course, I created it one time, okay? Which shows people how to build up their social media platform, all right? And become a self-published author. That course is only $249. But what I'm saying is I created that course one time and it makes me money every day. Right? So that's the power of a digital course. Now, whenever you have a course, make sure that you're providing value. Make sure that you are giving people what they are paying for. You can't just create a course and be like, oh, well, this is the course. I'm going to show you, how to fluff pillows, right? No, people want to learn something that's going to be valuable, that can essentially make them some money at some point in their lives. Okay? So understand what I'm saying, y'all. Digital products or services. Digital products or services. No overhead, y'all. You can create it one time and get paid for the rest of your life, okay? With no maintenance. All you got to do is keep the website going or keep it up, whatever the case is. Pay your little small dues, but there's no major overhead, all right? Now, moving on to the next one, y'all. Number 2 is going to be YouTube, all right? Let me say it once again, louder for my entrepreneurs in the back. It's going to be YouTube, y'all. I'm going to tell y'all straight up and down, YouTube is one of the best platforms where you can make consistent passive income. Straight up and down, y'all, right? Anybody you see on YouTube and they have a monetized channel, they are making money, Okay, they are making money, so why not you get on the flip side of that? Go ahead and start that YouTube channel, right? Go ahead and start talking about your profession, okay? Go ahead and start talking about the things that you have mastered, right? Understand something, y'all. Money loves mastery. Money follows mastery. So what have you mastered that you can teach somebody on YouTube, right? And then guess what? You can even connect your products and services, okay, to your YouTube channel. Make sense, y'all? Now, let me even say this about the YouTube channel. So once you do get monetized, you're going to sign up on Google AdSense, right? Let me say it once again. Once you get monetized, it's going to give you an option to where you can sign up on Google AdSense. This is where you're going to get your money. This is how you're going to make your ad revenue, right? You get paid, you know, in between the 21st and the 26th of every month. It's never late, y'all. Okay, I'm going to just be honest with y'all. YouTube is on time. They don't forget to pay you. Okay, you make the videos, you get the money, right? Now, let me also say this, y'all. With it being passive income, they pay you per 1,000 views, right? The average YouTuber's RPM is about $7 to $5, right? $5 to $7, okay? So let me just put that in numerical terms. So let's just say you get a video that has 10,000 views. We're gonna go with the less number, right? Number 5. So let's just say you get a video with 10,000 views. Well, that's going to be $50, right? Off of that one video. Some people make $50 working a whole 8-hour day. I'm just being honest, right? So $50 off of that one video. Well, if you got multiple videos, you got multiple $50, right? And the more you post, the more money you make. So 100,000 views, okay, that's going to give you $500. Now, this is assuming that just RPM, okay, which is revenue per mil, your RPM is $5, right? Again, depending on what your niche is, you can be getting paid $30, $40, $50, right, per 1,000 views. So everybody RPM is different. I'm going to just be honest with you, depending on what you're speaking about, right? Depending on what your niche is. Period. Now, 100,000 views, that's going to give you $500. Look at that, off of one video. I don't know nobody making $500 in one day working a regular job. Entrepreneurs, yay. But working a regular job, no. At most, if you work a 12-hour shift, you're getting paid, you know, $15. I think that's a little over 200, something like that, right? 225, 230, somewhere around there. But what I'm saying, y'all, is this right here. Not too many people is making $500, right? Just off of one thing. And it's a digital asset as well, right? It's a digital asset. So this is how you're gonna make money online, y'all, in 2024. And so realize this, the more you post, y'all, the more money you make, right? So if you have 1,000 videos making 35 cents per day, okay, for 365 days, that's going to give you $127,750. Congratulations, you are a 6-figure earner, okay? But the sad reality is, y'all, everybody don't want to put the work in, okay? Everybody don't want to put the work in, right? And so if you have 1 million views, guess what? That's $5,000. Now, I'm going to just be honest with y'all. I've went viral on multiple platforms. I've done multiple million views on TikTok, you know, Instagram, Facebook. But what I want y'all to understand is, imagine getting 1 million views on YouTube. You playing a different game, right? You playing a whole nother game. It's not the same game, if you will, right? I get 1 million views. I make $5,000 if my RPM is $5. It's very doable, right? So YouTube is going to be a big source of passive income, y'all. Don't sleep on that one, okay? The next one, number 3, is going to be affiliate marketing, okay? Affiliate marketing, y'all, is when you have a specific link, right? Whether you're signing up people, you have a product or service, but it's not your product or service. It's somebody else's, but you're just utilizing and leveraging your platform, right? So, for instance, let's just say you have this this course that somebody is selling on how to get their body fit, lean, and trim, right? Well, it's not your course, it's somebody else's, but that course link is on your page, and you have it set up to where whoever gets this course, they're going to pay you $100, right? Well, if you get 100, if your margin is $100 and you get 1,000 people, you made around about 100,000, right? And so what I'm saying is, y'all, is this right here. Affiliate marketing can be extremely lucrative, right? It can be extremely lucrative. Why? Because you are making money literally in your sleep, right? Or let's just say you starting with friends and family, people that you know. Well, guess what? You sign them up. You sign up about 10 people, right? You get $100 per person. That's $1,000. Well, whatever you already making, you can add that $1,000 to it, and you $1,000 richer. What are you saying right now, Reno? Well, that's a very prominent way of how you can make money online in 2024. Affiliate marketing, right? So like I said, you can do it, actively, which is, hey, check this out. Hey, check this out. I got this link. I'm trying to show you how to do yada, yada, yada. And guess what? Now you've, accumulated more revenue by actively promoting it. Or you can just do it passively, right? You're doing YouTube videos. You're doing Instagram videos. Hey, y'all click the link in the bio if you want to, up your fitness or learn this or learn how to publish a book, whatever the case is, y'all. But guess what? You have made more money, right, from affiliate marketing, and you didn't have to throw a box. You didn't have to, drive a car, Uber. You didn't have to do none of that, y'all. All right, so understand what I'm saying. Affiliate marketing can be extremely lucrative, okay? Some people make 6 figures a month doing this, all right? Now, next, it's going to be this, y'all. Number 4, personal branding. Now, this is personally my second favorite. My first favorite is YouTube. I'm going to be honest with y'all. But my second favorite is personal branding. See, a personal brand is what people know you for, right? Let me say it once again, y'all. Louder for my entrepreneurs in the back. A personal brand is what people know you for. McDonald's, that's their brand. Burger King, that's their brand. What do you know them both for? Having hamburgers. What kind of hamburgers? Big Mac for McDonald's and Whopper for Burger King. What are you saying right now, Reno? Well, this is what I'm saying, right? This is what I want y'all to understand. When it comes to, a person doing personal branding, you have so many different arms, right? You have so many different legs to where now you're monetizing everything that you do off of what? Your personal branding. For example, y'all, when I first started building up my YouTube and when I started building up my Instagram, I would have people to contact me and say, hey, bro, how much would you charge me, to wear my brand? Can I send you some free merch? Can you post me on your story? How much is it to be posted on your page, right? All these different things, y'all. This is what personal branding does. And you don't even have to have, hundreds of thousands of followers. You can have something as little as 5,000 to 10,000 followers, right? To where it's very niche specific. And the person say, hey, we want to utilize the fan base or the support base that you have. Hey, can we pay you a certain amount of money to where you're able to promote our product, right? Promote our service on your page. That's the power of personal branding. Okay, that's the power of personal branding. So understand that, y'all. This is when the world began to pay you just to be yourself. They just want to be a part of your brand. You can monetize it so many ways, y'all. Once again, sponsorships, where a person pay you a monthly fee just to provide a service utilizing or leveraging your platform. Advertising in all ways, y'all. Story posts, page posts, okay? Wear their clothes. The list goes on. But personal branding, and all of this is online, all right? So personal branding is very, very powerful, all right? And so we're going to get to the last one, y'all. Y'all probably know about this, so I'm going to confirm something that y'all already know, which means get to work. Number 5, e-commerce, all right? Let me say it louder for my entrepreneurs in the back. E-commerce, all right? So e-commerce is a store where you have your own products, right? The way you can sell it. It's literally like a store that you would go to, a brick and mortar, right? However, you're gonna go to your e-commerce store and sell your products online. That's e-commerce, right? So a great example, y'all, would be like Shopify, Teespring, Etsy. Okay, the list goes on, right? And so the different styles that you can use, utilizing these type of e-commerce platforms, it's like drop shipping, right? Where you're selling other people's product. Amazon FBA, where you're selling products and Amazon fulfill them. Okay, you can have your own store, your own brand. Okay, print on demand companies to where you don't even have anything physically. It's just print on demand. You have a company that fulfills your clothing, your hats, your do-rags, whatever, but it's print on demand. You have it set up to where the money that is brought in from whenever they purchase, right? A portion of that money stays in the account so your business can grow, but another portion of that money goes to the fulfillment, right? And you can be literally on your job, you can be at home, you can be asleep, whatever you're doing, but you have a print-on-demand company, okay? And so with that being said, y'all, that's another way that can be very lucrative in terms of making money online in 2024, right? So let's not make it complicated, people. It's 2024, y'all. It's time to go ahead and get to it. It's time to start stacking up our bread, and it's time for you to become at least a six-figure earner, y'all, because it's very doable. It's very doable, right? You can do it. It's not hard, y'all. All you got to do is put that work in it, all right? So with that being said, y'all, I appreciate everybody tuning in. Y'all already know how we do. Y'all can check out any one of the links in my description. Check out any one of my books. That's 8 Steps to Self-Publishing, A Successful Book, Rich Mentality, Traumatized by Love, as well as Fairly Unequal. Also, be sure to enroll into my social influence course if you are interested in building up your social media platform, okay, so you can strengthen up that personal brand, all right, and also becoming a self-published author. If y'all are interested, be sure to get my social influence course, which is in the link in the description, all right, and I'm gonna see y'all in class. Y'all keep a rich mentality. Peace. What's good, family? It's your boy Reno. Check this out, y'all. I just dropped my social influence course, okay? Where I show you how to build up your social media platform as well as become a self-published author. Understand what I'm saying, y'all? If you want to leverage your expertise, okay, you got to publish your book. But not only that, if you want to get popping and build your community, you got to build up your social media platform. And so I put that all in one course, okay? And so all you got to do is go to the link in my bio, all right? And drop in the comments, social influence. If you want to build up your social influence, click that link in the bio and we're going to get you popping. Keep a rich mentality.